Doug commented on a recent painting I did of the Scottish Highlands. He said, I like the feel of this one. And I'm glad he mentioned that, because capturing the feel, the mood, the atmosphere is something I try and do in every painting that I do. I never worry too much about the colours and all this sort of thing. For me, it's more about capturing light. I think light is the number one priority for every landscape painting. Pretty much every painting, still life or whatever it is, I think it's light. That's the only thing that I'm concerned about. Never that worried really in particular about colours and all this sort of stuff. It's all about mood, and that's why I always start at the sky. Often I'll brush the painting from either side and leave a lighter area in the middle, and that will represent my light, and that's the initial capturing of the mood and the atmosphere and the feel of the place. So often a bit of light in the sky, and then make sure you leave some of that light then in, if you're doing like a lake, capture some of that light in the water below, get the rest in medium to darkish tones, and once you've got that light initially, the rest of the painting sort of almost paints itself and slowly comes together. I generally find the fewer colours I use the better. It helps capture this mood and atmosphere. Often I'll just 3 or 4 colours, that's all you need really, and just varying the mixes between the 3 or 4 colours, just get a bit of sort of variation, and that will help you then create this mood. Just focus more on the mood and the atmosphere than the colours. I think that's one of the reasons I picked my initial 7 colour palette from Ron Ranson, and I've never really varied from it a fat lot. Just being more inclined to focus on the feel of a painting rather than experiment too much with colours.